Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving across southern Mississippi on I-10 heading east. We begin at Exit 2, which leads to State Highway 607, which in turn leads to US Highway 90, just a couple of miles to the south. At the end of our last video, you may have noticed that the control city for I-10 is Bay St. Louis, which is unusual since Bay St. Louis isn't even on I-10. The reason for that is prior to 1982, I-10 didn't exist in Mississippi past this point. Traffic heading across Mississippi had to take Exit 2 and drive across the state on Highway 90. A similar arrangement was used for westbound traffic coming into Mississippi from Alabama, and on that end, the control city is Pascagoula. For whatever reason, these coastal control cities remain Bay St. Louis and Pascagoula nearly 40 years later. From this point onward, all of the on-ramp control city markers indicate Mobile for eastbound traffic, and a single overhead sign includes Biloxi along with Mobile near the US 49 exit in Gulfport. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. At the Jordan River, we enter the city of Diamondhead, officially incorporated in 2012. Diamondhead had an estimated population of 8,071 in 2017. Originally built and opened as a resort community in 1970, Diamondhead lies at the highest elevation along the Mississippi Gulf Coast at an average of 66 feet or 20 meters above sea level. The community includes a golf course and on the south side of I-10 an airport. Two of the streets on the south side include taxiway access from the rear of the properties, and many of these fly-in homes have backyard hangars to house small private aircraft. As we leave Diamondhead, we cross into Harrison County, the second most populous county in Mississippi with an estimated population of 206,650 as of 2018. Here, the unincorporated community and census-designated place of Delisle lies to the south of I-10, with a population of 1,147 at the 2010 census. Delisle is known for having more men serve in World War I than any other community in the United States on a per capita basis. We conclude today's video at exit 28, which leads to the town of Long Beach on the Gulf Coast. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.